Now, right now, people are literally making hundreds and thousands of dollars just promoting the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. But one of the first things they're doing when they get started is creating short form content. Let me show you. Now, here's an example of Camila Markson. Let's go through her Instagram feed so I can show you what she's doing. Let's check out one of her videos. Basically, what she's doing, she's creating these very simple 5-second videos that anybody can do, even me or even yourself. Well, I want you to pay attention because these videos are super simple. As you can see, it's 5 to 7 seconds, and she just has text on screen and sitting down, and she's not even talking in this video. But what she's doing with this traffic, she's sending people to her affiliate link for Legendary Marketer. But when I say that she's sending people to the Legendary Marketer affiliate program to make purchases so that she can get those commissions, she's not doing it directly. What she's doing is she's sending them to a landing page, and she's giving away something for free first. So her whole goal of creating these 5 to second videos is she's trying to get people from those videos, from her Instagram page, after watching her content, to come to her profile and click on this link right up here. Now, Camila is a beast in the affiliate marketing game, and she's super smart. What she's doing is building her email list, and how she's doing that is she's giving away something for free in exchange for that email address. So let me show you. You'll notice when someone clicks on this link right here, they're going to land on this page right here, and as you can see, she's trying to collect their name and their email address. Now, if you see this right here, if you look on her landing page, she's giving away a free ebook on her landing page in exchange for their email address. Now, when she collects these emails, they go into her database, and she's building up her email list inside of her email autoresponder. And this is her building up her own passive income business. But what you need to understand is that she's giving away a free book. She's not just saying, hey, go check out Legendary Marketer, make a purchase so I can get money. She's giving away something for free in exchange for their email address. Now, this free book isn't just a pile of junk. She's giving away something that these people want so they can see the value of why they should give away their email address. And in this case, she's saying, if you give me your email address, I'm going to show you how you can make 6 figures with a simple side hustle that you can do from home. And this is what we call a lead magnet. Now, if you don't know what a lead magnet is, it's basically something that you're giving away for free in exchange for their email address. Now, your whole goal as an affiliate marketer, whether you be high ticket or low ticket, Legendary Marketer, or any other affiliate program, your absolute main objective is to build up your email list. Because the way that you're going to make money is not only just promoting multiple different affiliate programs and offers, but you're going to make your money for the long term. I have a sustainable long-term high ticket affiliate marketing business by building up your email list. That's exactly what I was able to do and still doing, and that's exactly how I've been able to never have to work again and never be broke again, using high ticket affiliate marketing and building up a large email list with it. So basically what she's doing, she's putting out content, 5 to second short form video content on her IG page, and then she's funneling that traffic to her lead magnet, which is this landing page, connecting their name and email address in exchange for that lead magnet. And then after they opt in and click this button, they're going to go to another page learning about Legendary Marketer, where Legendary Marketer is going to do all the selling for her. Now, if this is making sense so far, I want you to comment the words lead magnet down in the YouTube comments. Now, I know what the next question you may have because I've been through it. Ronnie, Dad Learns Money, I don't have a killer lead magnet. I don't have a free ebook that I can give away. I don't know how to create one. And even if I started and learned, it's going to take me a ton of time to do so. And you're absolutely right. It takes a ton of time to create a lead magnet, even if it's something as simple as a free book. But I got great news, and I got you. What I want to do, I want to show you how you can give away something far better than a free book or a free checklist or even a blueprint. What I want to do is show you how you can give away an entire free course and lead people to Legendary Marketer. Now, that is where it's going to become super powerful, because if you can give away a better lead magnet, then that means that you're going to be able to build your email list so much faster. On top of that, you're also going to get people to know, like, and trust you. And once people trust you, then they're going to buy from you. Now, here's an example of my personal lead magnet that I personally use to promote products like Legendary Marketer or any other affiliate program, so that I can build up a large email database by giving away something for free, in this case, a free course, in exchange for their email address. What I'm doing, I'm basically doing what they're doing doing as well, but I'm giving away something even better than a book or a checklist, and in this case, it's an entire free course. I don't believe there's any other way or any greater way that you can give away something for free that has more value than a free course. So basically what happens when the people land on my landing page to get the free course, they're going to say, yeah, I want this. It's totally free. I don't have anything to lose. They're going to click that button. It's going to ask them for their name and their email address and their phone number, but it's optional. But when they give me that information, they're giving it to me because they see the value in this course. So in order to get access to this free course, they're going to give me their email address. And when they click the button, they're going to get access to it in their email. Now, this course isn't just something I threw away. This course is truly valuable and has tons of information that could actually help them solve a problem. And in this case, getting started with affiliate marketing. This course is an entire walkthrough on how to get started and become successful with affiliate marketing.